fxy equals to exponent x squared y plus y. So to find f sub x, so we need to differentiate using the exponential rules, which is if we like to differentiate exponent of x, that we need to differentiate the f and copy down exponent of x. So for exponent x squared y plus y, what we have to do is to differentiate the function with respect to x. So if we differentiate x squared y with respect to x, this y is a constant. So write down the y. Differentiate x squared with respect to x is 2x. Differentiate y with respect to x is 0 because y is a constant. So what we have to do now, we are already done with the differentiation of the function. Now we copy down exponent x squared y plus y. So next is, let us find the f sub y. So for f sub y, what we have to do is same as just now. We need to differentiate and copy down. All we have to do now is to differentiate with respect to y. So differentiate x squared y with respect to y is x squared, because x squared is constant. Differentiate y is 1, so 1 times x squared is x squared, plus differentiate y with respect to y is 1, and copy down exponent x squared y plus y. That's all.